Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope you are doing good. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Today I am going to be showing you how to tie this beautiful bow. I will be using 2.5-inch ribbon with wire. First, you are going to want to let out a tail, and probably about a 14-inch tail is what I usually let out. And then you're going to make your first loop, and my loop is 5 inches. So if I was to straighten out the ribbon, it would be 10 inches, and then when you fold the loop back, it's only 5 inches. So it's very important, if you have a design on your ribbon, sometimes you have to twist to keep the design on top. So you're just going to go back and forth, making your loops the same size on each side. It's very important to try to check those loops and make sure you're making them the same size. For this bow, I am using 3 different colors of ribbon, so I only made 3 loops with my first color. Now I'm using my second color, so I let out another long tail, just placed it on top of the first ribbon, and I'm going to make my first loop, try to make it the same size as the other loops, about 5 inches. And if your ribbon has a design, remember, sometimes you have to twist to keep the design on top. Now I am making 3 loops with this color ribbon also. Now there's all different kinds of ways to make bows. There's no right way, there's no wrong way. But for this one, I'm just making 3 loops with each color and letting out a tail when I start and when I finish. These 2 ribbons came from Sam's Club. Now this ribbon that I'm letting out came from Dollar General. So I'm going to let out a tail, place it in on top of the second color, same steps. Make a loop, pinch it tight in my left hand, make another loop on the opposite side. Just make sure you keep it pinched tight in your hand and don't let go. You can take a ruler and measure from where your hand is squeezing the ribbon to the end of the loop to check to see if you're making about 5-inch loops. You don't have to make them 5 inches. That's just what I did in this video, and I love the size of this bow. This bow is a pretty size to put on a lantern or even to use as a Christmas tree topper or on Christmas presents. Okay, after I added my third color, I am using some 20 gauge floral stem wire to wrap tightly around the center of my bow. You could use a pipe cleaner to wrap around the center of your bow if you would like. You will want to leave the wires long so that you can attach it to your lantern or whatever you made this bow for. And then remember to fluff your loops. It's very important to go back and fluff your loops. Now if you notice, I did 3 loops, so I have a loop of the first color on the left, one on the right, and one in the center. Same with all 3 colors. One on the left, one on the right, one in the center. So when you fluff your loops, remember that pattern. You can make this bow for any season, for any holiday. You can use any color of ribbon that you like. Just remember, 2.5-inch ribbon with wire. It's very important for the ribbon to have the wire. But that's it, guys. Your bow is complete. You can trim your tails at an angle, or you can dovetail the ends, whatever you like. I usually just leave mine at an angle, but here it is attached to my lantern. I just hung it on this lantern so you could kind of see how it looks hanging on a lantern. I'm not going to leave it on this one, but I just wanted to show you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.